Welcome, people. We go to the new Lego boat simulator, and this is for 30 meters. So we have in the Atlantic Ocean. We go stuck and years to now, and happy to be here and very awesome to the port, and the boat struck an iceberg to stop and sank. The boat down the terrain. We go the Atlantic Ocean at chaos. The Titanic replaced container boat, and the boat is very awesome for the year. The year is awesome, and my family is awesome. Okay, this is the very safe boat to be here and trying to the new exposition Maersk line. This is one Lego Maersk line to be here. Okay, and one very tunnel to the people is here, and all the containers is go here. Okay, the boat is very awesome to stay in the purity and safest and biggest to the Bengals and strength to be here. Thank you, and we can the other episode to this book. Thanks for watching.